Let me bring you songs from the woods to make you feel much better than you could know.
Better than you could
Dust
know.
you down from tip to toe.
Dust you down from tip to toe.
Show you how the garden grows.
Show you how the garden
Hold
grows.
you steady as you go.
Hold steady as you
Join the chorus if you can. It'll make of you an honest man. Let me bring you love from the fields. Poppies red and roses filled with summer rain, to heal the wound and still the pain that threatens again and again as you drag down every lover's lane. Life's-long celebrations here, I'll toast you all in any cheer. Let me bring you all things refined, galley heights, lit song served in chilling ale. Greetings, well met fellow, hail. I am the wind to fill your sail. I am the frost to take your nail. A singer of these ageless